Alright, it's a nice cold morning. We're going to be doing a cold start on the 1971 Chevy C10. Chevy Cheyenne C10 in that matter. It's got dual exhaust with cherry bomb glass packs. So, Yipper Pepper, it's got a 350 in it. And it's cold out, that is for sure. Here, open the... Jules! Look at an interior view. Probably gonna have to choke it. Now remember, warm it up. Alright. Well, runs good. Like it should. Watch him kill it. Oh, yep. Figured that was going to happen. Alright, peace out, like and subscribe, stay tuned for more.